So this is a quick soldering demo of our Nexgen Nightlight. As you can see, we've got the board and we are soldering through-hole components. There are two types of components you can solder, through-hole and SMD. Through-hole are by far the easiest options. That's what we're doing here. So take each component and push it through the board and then bend the legs on the other side. That will keep it stable. The components are pretty robust. However, don't be too rough with them if you can help it. Just putting the resistor through there. And now the photoresistor, the key component, or one of the key components in this circuit. And finally, the transistor. This is actually the hardest thing to push through. So you'll have to be pretty careful and precise with this one. I'm just bending the legs, checking everything's secure on the other side. And now we're ready for soldering. So we've got to tin the tip, which means put some solder on the tip, clean it so it's nice and silvery. And now stabilize the board and start soldering. I hold the board in place with blue tack. A lot of people use helping hands, but I don't find them helpful at all. Blue tack gives me the freedom to put the board or the thing I'm soldering in any position very easily, and it's very cheap. Now with soldering, remember to heat up the joint and then apply the solder. The solder melts to the temperature of the joint. You don't heat the solder up. Once you're done, as you can see, it won't take you that long. Just snip all the legs and you'll be finished. And that's one Nexgen Nightlight ready for testing.